Here we have my A500 Plus keyboard, and here we have the 3M keyboard cleaner, which comes with this U-Boot for cleaning the keys and a bottle of cleaning fluid. 1996 copyright on this fellow from 3M. So we will get in here with the cleaning fluid. We'll pop the lid off, and we'll follow the instructions on the back. We'll add a little bit of this stuff to the business end of the special application cleaning tool. Sorry, I was concentrating. This is a high stakes game. I don't know where this thing came from. There we go. So this is all, has all of the right lubricity applied to it, and we'll take away the beautifully deteriorated, shabby chic packaging backing card, and whew, had the wrong end. It smells a bit like hand sanitizer. It does say non-flammable on there. And we will apply it to this very expensive keyboard and clean all the lettering off it. Here we go. Oh wow! Oh yeah, it's leaving behind a slight residue. And across we go. Clean that back off. And this is the 3M way, right? And look at it go. I can go this way too. Woohoo! Oh yeah, that's the greatest thing I've ever seen. And I've been to the Louvre. Oh, hang on, spacebar, you ready? I don't think anyone could be ready for seeing this clean a spacebar. I can't build it up enough. Oh look, here we go. Ready? There we go. Oh, that's one clean spacebar now. This thing. You know, I think it actually works. I don't think an ultrasonic cleaner and all the keys off and in a basket, of course, would be a preferred preferred solution. But I think that for a basically clean keyboard that's maybe got a bit of dust on it, this would be a good way to go. Where does that go? Down the enter key. Woohoo! Cross over the big 0 on the numeric keypad. I gotta say, this, imagine being at work and going into the storeroom, into the stationery room or the stationery cabinet, and they had these things just sitting there, you know, just with a plastic blister pack and the U-Boot fluid, and just taking it back to your office and going mad with it. You know, right? What happened to these days? I think keyboards became ridiculously cheap is what happened. I think this is supposed to be, well, it is supposed to be used for cleaning the keycap tops, but it does feel a little bit Scotch-Brite-y, and I'm worried it's got a fine abrasive in it. And that even though the cleaning fluid hasn't removed the lettering from these keys, that Scotch-Brite might. So look, I'm going to finish this key by key, but I'm going to do it off camera because this has gone on more than long enough already. But there you have it, the 3M keyboard cleaner. Oh, what a blast from the past.